Known for handling the toughest jobs, the Diablo 2 stripper is your most effective wire and copper stripper currently on the market today. It's able to strip through cables and wires of all sizes, including Romex, copper wires, single core wires, multi-core wires, aluminum wires, and cable sheet wires. Let's check this big bad boy out. If you're in the recycling industry and you know you want to dominate, oh my Atlanta, that's why we built this bad boy here. The Diablo 2 brings it. As always, the Diablo 2 wire cutter should be placed in a sturdy location, having plenty of space for your wires and cables to pass through with ease. Now, go ahead and plug the machine in. Now you're ready to turn it on. You'll see an on and off switch located here. Remember, safety is always first when using this machine. Diablo strippers are the most powerful and productive copper and wire strippers on the market today. The Diablo 2 is designed to increase your output and maximize those profits. The Diablo 2 specifications are as follows. Diameter capacity is 1.5 millimeters to 50 millimeters. The machine weighs 242 pounds. Powered by a 2 horsepower motor, fully customizable to fit any of your electrical outlet needs, including 110 volt, 220 volt, 230 volt, 240 volt, and 380 volt. The production speed is 1 meter a second. At this point, simply feed the wires through the appropriate feeding hole according to size. Now let's get started. 20 millimeter multi-core wire. 30 millimeter multi-core wire. A lot of that stuff's out there. This is good money. 30 millimeter straight copper cable. Hard stuff, big bucks. Remember what we were talking about, 50 millimeters? Here it is, multi-core wire. Watch this bad boy cut through it like butter. You want production? Check this out. Cha-ching! Keep in mind the blades on the Diablo 2 are fully adjustable. If you notice the cuts on your cables are too deep or too small, you can easily adjust this by using the blade adjusters. Make sure your machine is unplugged when making these adjustments. These adjusters are specified in your Diablo 2 wire cutter instructional manual. Diablo 2 will get the job done. And with the skyrocketing prices of copper, your profits are sure to go through the roof. Splicing up to 50 millimeter cable and wires, the Diablo 2 will get the job done, guaranteed. The Diablo 2 comes ready to roll at only $1,395.95 plus shipping. With copper prices through the roof, don't miss out on this great opportunity. Order your Diablo 2 today. Shipping information is as follows. USA shipping via DHL, worldwide shipping via DHL, by factory direct. We've been selling to US suppliers for years. Feel free to call our 24-hour hotline. These people never sleep. Dial 1-800-515-5035. The time is now. Order yours today. Or visit us at DiabloStrippers.com. We also encourage worldwide distributors to give us a call. 1-800-515-5035. Or visit DiabloStrippers.com. Thank you, folks.